Hello, Eco DIY lovers! Welcome back to our channel. I grew up in Anyang, a suburb of Seoul. My family lived in a place called a new town. The place was packed with apartment complexes. Everywhere you looked, it was full with high-rise apartments. So the houses with gardens in foreign films that I saw on TV, life there seemed so wonderful. Now we live in the Netherlands. We have a garden and there is a small vegetable garden at the corner. Thankfully, our garden has good side for sun and the soil is good. Our veggies and fruits were growing well. The harvest of the first year from the garden was full of wonder. I remember admiring the fresh taste that was incomparable to the vegetables from the shops. Spring is here and it's time to plant vegetables. But this year our family is planning a 5-month camper holiday. So unfortunately we have to give up the vegetable garden this year. Then all of a sudden I was thinking if there were any vegetables I could grow while traveling. This is an Ikea product that we used for our pot lids. It's not intended to be used vertically, but it has a steady structure and is strong against water as it is made of stainless steel. So I think it is just right for our purpose. If the height is too high, there is no stability and sprout vegetables can be harvested even when they are only 7 to 8 centimeters tall, so it does not need to be high. I think 45 centimeter height is fine. One of our biggest challenges we have for zero waste living for us, that is plastic milk boxes. We've reduced a lot of other plastic waste, but we couldn't reduce the milk boxes. If you know how to reduce milk boxes, please share them in the comments. So I made plant pots with this. Even if you don't have this, you can make it out of a plastic container that is thrown away, such as a tofu container or an ice cream container. Cut it to a height of 3 to 4 centimeters. I will drill holes in the bottom with an awl so that water can drain out. Cut an unused cloth or kitchen paper towel and lay it on the floor of the plant pots. Then pots are ready. One of the most difficult things about growing sprouts is that they need to be watered frequently. If the seeds and roots dry out for a long time, they will not grow well. The advice is that we need to water 4 to 5 times a day, but it's not easy. Prepare 2 pieces by cutting the bottom of the milk boxes to a height of about 5 to 6 centimeters. One for the water supply and one for the drip tray. Use your needle and poke a hole in the water tank bottom. The functional part is ready, but I want to make this microgreen tower that looks good too. So I used jute cloth and jute string to surround the pots. Sprouting vegetables can be basically any seeds as long as they are eatable plants. I bought broccoli, radish and cress, which are said to be healthy and easy to grow. And I tried to grow chia seeds I have at home, and I was very happy because they grew well and tasted good. First, soak the seeds in cold water for 4 to 6 hours. Spread the seeds evenly in the plant pot. Sprinkle water with a sprayer to wet the floor cloth and seeds sufficiently, and create a dark environment for 1 to 2 days. When it is dark, the seeds think that the seeds have gone into the ground and begins to sprout. You can put the pot that needs germination under the other pots and stack them on top of each other. After the germination process is complete, the only thing to do is to check that the seedlings have enough water and sunlight. Therefore, place them where you have more light and give a cup of water once or twice a day. It depends on the temperature and the type of seed, but it grows enough to be harvested in about a week. Today we are harvesting chia sprouts. Since it was grown only with water in a clean environment, we can eat the roots too. The roots are also rich in vitamins and nutrients. Just rinsing them with water 2 or 3 times. It has roots, so if you keep it refrigerated in an airtight container, it stays fresh even after a week. 2 more days have passed. Today we were able to harvest broccoli sprouts and cress sprouts. They are chia, broccoli and cress. It's nice to have them in salads or wrap them in rice paper and dip it in peanut sauce, for example. Today I eat microgreens with rice on endive and 쌈장. The spring energy is spreading in my body. Sprouts are healthier than mature vegetables. Broccoli sprouts contain 20 to 100 times more anti-cancer components than full-grown broccoli. Chia sprouts are rich in calcium as well as omega-3, which is said to be good for brain, teeth, and bones, as well as the cardiovascular system. Microgreen tower that can be grown easily in a small space. Feel the joy of growing and harvesting your own vegetables and take care of your health. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and set an alarm and support us on this green and healthy DIY journey. Tune in next time for more eco-friendly and healthy DIY ideas. 고맙습니다.